Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing with the new Natasha Denona. This is her mini Xenon palette. I was so drawn to this palette when I saw it released. This is a cool toned lover's dream. We are going to create an eye look today. I am super excited. I'm going to go ahead and swatch some of these shades for you. It goes Puff and then Mist, and then we have Chromatic, which is in the center. We have Gloom is the deeper gray here, and then the last one is Blackest Black. So I have heard some mixed reviews on this palette, but I have faith that Natasha Denona is not going to let me down. I have other cool toned palettes, as most of you probably do as well. What draws me to this is a mini cool toned from Natasha, so her formula is special. You may have the Glam palette, but it's just nice to have a smaller version, maybe for travel. Some people like to have a smaller palette to work out of rather than something big and bulky. So for $25, if the quality is there, I think that this is a great purchase. So let's put it to the test. And I am going to go in with my Wayne Goss number 19. And I am going to start with this second to lightest shade right here. I'm going to put that in the crease. My eyes are already primed and powdered. So we're going to see how much pigment this has. And it does seem to have a good amount of pigment. I'm going to build that up a little bit. Just in the crease, bringing it up just a little bit. Liking it so far. So comment below if you prefer cool tones, warm tones, right in the middle neutral, or you are just all color. I like them all. But I do, if you'd have told me 2 years ago that I would be drawn to a palette like this, I would have told you you were crazy. It's funny how your tastes change. So there is that shade in the crease, and I must say I like it. I'm going to take an even smaller blending brush. This one is from Profusion, and I'm going to go into that deeper shade right here, the second to deepest. And I'm just going to put it directly into that crease, just for a little bit of depth. Being much more precise with the application here. Taking my time. I'm going to go in that outer V with that. So I think that is beautiful. You could go in with that lightest shade, put it in this corner here, this inner lid area, and have a stunning matte eye look. That's just beautiful. Let's go ahead and put some on the bottom lash line, and you know we're going to play with that shimmer. We have to. I'm going to go in with that second to deepest shade and put it on the bottom lash line very, very lightly. build it up slowly. I love that. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into that chromatic. I just can't wait any longer. I have to put it on my eyelid. And I'm going to put that on with my finger. As you can see from the swatch, it's amazing. Stunning. It's swatched very silver, but it looks like it's tinging blue, but I love it. Very nice. Now let's go ahead and take the black and deepen that outer corner. This one did not swatch well, but I'm having no issues. Just deepening that outer corner. I couldn't ask for anything better. Small amounts and build up. That way you don't have fallout all over your face. And if they're good quality shadows, they can be built up. Let's go back into that Wayne Goss, and I'm going to go into this shade again and just help blend out that outer corner. Go back in with that second shade from the lightest and just work on that inner crease and go up above a deeper shade. Very light-handed. Beautiful. I think I'm going to take a little bit of that black and go underneath here. Okay, I'll be right back with some liner and lashes and my final thoughts. Okay, so liner and lashes are on. I will have everything listed in the description box below that I used. However, I will tell you I am really enjoying this new Makeup by Mario pencil. It goes on really, really nicely. And I have the magnetic lashes on from Kiss. Final thoughts on the Natasha Denona Mini Xenon palette. I think it's beautiful. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think if you are a cool toned lover, this is going to give you a couple of different looks. You can change it up. I think the quality is there. I'm so glad that I didn't listen to the reviews. I saw when it came out and I knew I wanted to try it. Everybody has a different opinion on makeup. I am by no means an expert or a makeup artist. I am just a regular over 40 mama that loves to play with makeup, and I used my regular brushes and had no issue. I felt like they blended nicely. I love the bright shimmer. I put a little bit in the inner corner here. I give it 2 thumbs up. I really do. So if you want to try it, you can pick it up at Sephora, you can pick it up at Natasha Denona's website, or you can order it online. but I highly recommend it. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing before you leave. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment. Let me know what other makeup you're interested in me trying, or different ideas for videos. I am open to all of your suggestions. Have a wonderful day.